Well, the JCC is our kind of bread and butter here in the US market. It stands for the Jet Clean Center. And it's our 8th generation of this machine since we built those first ones back in the 90s. So it's kind of a standard platform that we use to wash and deburr parts. We can kind of configure this machine a multitude of ways, whether it's more for deburring, more for washing, a combination, different materials. We'll have different filtration systems for that type of stuff. But basically how it works is, you know, a customer comes to us, I've got to meet this cleanliness spec, or I've got this deburring problem, and hey, can you guys help me? Our answer is oftentimes, we're not sure, send us some parts and we'll put them in the machine and show you the results and see if we do have the solution for you.
So Jet Clean Center has a long history, okay? I actually have customers with that. We didn't call it a Jet Clean Center back then, okay? Before it was actually quite a long name, and we shortened it up to the JCC because the name went all the way across the front of the machine. The reason we did that is because it's a lot more user-friendly. Jet Clean is, when you say that, you say, okay, I'm using a jet, basically, it's what the nozzle is. It's a jet nozzle at high pressure from 1,000 PSI all the way up to 36,000 in our best units. Yes, we can get all the way up to that. So basically, it's a water jet. So with that said, with CNC controls, then it comes down to your feed rates, your distance to the nozzle, and basically your process. So most customers in the automotive industry, we're doing parts as short as 14 seconds, and we're doing parts as long as 6 hours in the aerospace industry. So it just really depends on how many parts you need per day, per shift, per hour.